Speech sounds, consonants. Example, B, we are going to say that as ba. That's the sound. Letter C, the sound is ka. Letter D, the sound is da. Letter F, the sound is f. Letter G, the sound is ka. So let's start. We have letter B. The sound is ba, and we are going to say that 3 times. So go after me. Ba, ba, ba. Very good. Example, ba as in bat. As what you can see on the picture, there is a bat. And we have 5 words example. The first is bad, banana, bus, bunny, and buzz. Very good. So let's continue with letter C. The sound of letter C is ka. So repeat after me 4 times. Ka, 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 ka. Awesome. Example, ka as in cut. What you can see on the picture, it's a cut. So we have other examples. The first word is cat, camp, can, cup, coffee, and we have carrot. You are doing great. Let's continue. The next letter is letter D. So the sound is da. We have 4 examples. First, da, 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 and da. Excellent. Example, da as in dog. That's what we have on the picture. It's a dog. So we have 4 example words below. The first one is dinosaur. The second is donkey. The third, dance. And another dance. Okay, let's proceed. The next letter is letter F. How do we say that? Or what is the sound? It's f. Okay, so repeat after me. Good job. Example, as in fish. So we have the example picture. It's a fish. We have other words below. Start with frog, feet, fan, flag, four, and fingers. Perfect. We're on letter G. The sound is ga. So we have 4 sounds here. Ga, 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 ga. Example, ga as in girl. Right, the girl on the picture. We have other example words. We have gobble, cap, gum, gloves, gas, and gabble. Wonderful. So far, you are doing great. So we are going to continue to the next letter. Next is letter H. The sound is ha. Example, ha, 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 ha. Example is ha as in hat. We have hat on the picture. Who wears hat? Okay, I know you do. So we have other example words. We have hot, hump, hunger, house, and have. Okay, next it's letter J, as in ja. That's the sound. We are going to say this 4 times. Ja, 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 ja. Example, ja as in jag. And the example words below are jam, jacket, jaw, job, jump, and the last word is judge. Wonderful. We have letter K. The sound is ka. We are going to say this 4 times. Ka, 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 ka. Example, ka as in kayak. And we have 4 words below. Karaoke, koala, kumquat, and kudos. Nice going. Let's go to the other words or letter. And what we have? Yes, that is correct. We have letter L. We have letter L. Do you know the sound of letter L? Okay, that's it. It is O. So you are going to repeat after me. O, 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 O. Isn't it tiring? Oh no, it's amazing. Example, we have O as in lollipop. Who wants lollipop? I guess everyone likes. Okay, we have the words below as in leaf, lemon, line, lion, lady, and lamp. Amazing. Okay, let's go to the next letter. We have letter M. That's good. That's the sound of letter M. So we're going to say this 3 times. Mm, mm, Example, as in man. That's what we have on the picture. There is a man. Example words are monkey, money, market. It should be market with MARKET. Okay. And the next word is magic and map. Amazing. You are doing fantastic. The next letter is letter N. So how do we say it? Okay, perfect. It's N. So we are going to say the sound. N, 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 N. Example, night. Okay, we have on the picture is an owl, the stars, the clouds, and a moon. So it is nighttime. We have example words below. The first is nest, nail, net, nine, nose, needle. Wonderful. That's a big clap. Okay, so let's proceed to the next letter. We have letter P. How do you say letter P? Okay, so the sound is P, 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 P. Wonderful, you got it. Example, P as in pot. Example words are pad, pack, paddle, paint, parade. Okay, that's another letter to go on. It's letter Q. So the sound is qua. We are going to say that three times. Qua, qua, qua. Example, qua, quiet. Yes. We have on the picture, the girl is saying to the rabbit, quiet. Okay. So does your mother or your teacher say, quiet? You are noisy. Okay, we have four words. First is queen. Second, quack. Third, quarter. And the last word is question. Go on to the next letter. What letter is this? Okay, it's letter R. So how do we say the sound? It's R. Okay, so we have five examples. So repeat after me. R, 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 R. Wonderful. Example, her as in rat. We have example words such as rose, rainbow, radio, rooster, and robot. Wonderful. So far, you are doing a good job. Okay. We have letter S. The sound is S. Can you remember something? What's on your mind when you hear this sound? S? Okay, that is a snake. So repeat after me. The sound is S, 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 S. Example, S, as in snake. See the snake? Alrighty. We have the words below. Sat, safe, sail, saint, sun, star, and the last word is stone. Going on to the next letter. This is letter T. Do you know the sound of letter T? May I hear it? Perfect. So it's ta. So how do we say it? Ta, 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 ta. Example, ta as in thunder. And we have tank, tiger, turtle, tarantula, and touch. You are doing great. Nice going. So we have letter V. For letter V, the sound is V. We're going to say that four times. V, V, V. Okay, good. Example, V as in violin. Who loves playing violin? I know you can do it. Okay, ready. We have example words here. Vet, vest, vein, vase, village, and vehicle. Much better this time. So we have letter W. The sound is wa. So we're going to say that three times. Wa, wa, wa. Example, wa as in water. You can see the man is drinking water. Example words are watch, walrus, watermelon, and wad. We're coming to an end. The next letter is letter X. Letter X sound is x, 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 x. Example, x, as in fox, as what we have on the picture. The fox is very beautiful and looking at you. Example words below are axe, box, fox, ox, six, fix, wax, mix. The second to the last letter is letter Y. Do you know how to say it? Very good. It's yeah. We're going to say that 4 times. Repeat after me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Example, yeah, as in yam. Do you like yam? I bet you do. So we have example words here. It's yat, young, yard, yummy, yak. And yay! We're on the last letter. It's letter Z. The sound is Z. Sounds familiar? Okay, so we're going to say that 4 times. Z, 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 z. Example, z as in zebra. We have example words here. Zoo, zip, zest, zigzag, zero, and zebra. Congratulations, you did a great job today. Bye bye.